Here's quite a large antique pine dresser base or kitchen cupboard. It's got 2 drawers at the top and 2 doors below, and also a sliding breadboard. So this could be used as a desk. You could use it with your laptop and then store the laptop in the drawer. So we've got 2 drawers, 1 and 2, and then inside the base there's a shelf, and the doors open quite fully, as you can see, which could be useful. It was originally painted from the 1930s, and it's obviously been stripped. As you can see, it's in the bare wood at the moment, and we can wax it or paint it for you, or you can buy it as it is. Our code number D6909B, the price is 400 as it is. It'll be 467 if you'd like it waxed. The height 34.5 inches, the width at the widest point is 47, depth at the deepest point 21.5.